So today me and Hunter are going skateboarding, but might be fun. Alright, I'm gonna go find Hunter. Alright, so we just got back from the dollar store. We just bought some toys and we went to McDonald's and got food. And now we're sitting in the car trying to figure out how to use our bubble machines. Alright, so I just got the whale, so we're gonna see if it works here. Alright.
Let's see if this thing works.
The voyage of the dollar store whale. Let's hope this wasn't a waste of the $3 it took to buy the whale, the batteries, and the freaking screwdriver.
Oh,
Yeah!
it works!
Alright, let's make some bubbles.
We got the bubble thing here. Now let's go see if this thing actually works.
Let's hope it works. Dude, people are gonna think we're so fucking...
Oh, I'm just playing my bubble machine, officer.
Wait, hold on. Yeah. Dude, people were like definitely about to drive by us and be like, what the hell? So, bust out the dollar store whale right here. And we got the dollar store speaker.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, let's do this. Use the double A's.
He's right there.
Okay, got it. Quality dollar store. The spring is sideways. Alright,
Now, while he's doing that, I have to find some good tunes. Oh, I know exactly on a place that we can blow the bass right out of it. Whatever bass it has. It's gonna be a surprise. And I'm gonna turn it all the way up too, so we're gonna see if it kills our ears or not.
we about to go deaf in here. Hunter, what I have a feeling I need to just like put a trash bag in my backseat. Alright. Oh fuck, that's so jacked up.
Alright. The volume's going all the way up.
Alright, put the speaker back together. Do you care if there's a screw or not?
I don't really care now. We're just gonna break it anyway.
Well, then we might want to leave the screw in.
If there wasn't a car, I would take it out and chuck it around the ground.
Alright. Dude, this thing's so stripped.
It might be good.
It's so stripped it won't go off. Wait, look. Alright.
The screw stripped?
Yeah, the screw's
But we just bought it.
But it doesn't work.
Do you have it the wrong way?
Oh, no.
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 No!
Oh, thank goodness. We only have one speaker. Or we only have one screwdriver.
Wait, what'd you drop?
The screwdriver.
Oh.
Dude, this screwdriver is so bad. Okay, that looks right.
Yeah, that's fine. That's close enough. Alright.
Look, let's just see if we get power. Alright,
Hey!
we got a very strong power right there. Very bright light.
Alright. You got that aux cord, Colton?
Yeah. Still tight in the Oh, wait, no. We are family friendly. Tell it, so, you know, just tell your kids, your mom, your dad, tell everyone, please watch us, please support. We need money. There's nothing to do in our small town, and our skate park's falling apart.
I mean, if this video gets $1, then we can go back to the dollar store and get something.
Find some more stuff to play. Wait, hang on. Alright.
That thing actually kind of smells like the gears turning. You smell that?
Wait, record it. Dude, this thing's like burning. I just spent like $3 on this whale. Alright, should we load the whale up?
Turn on in your car. Turn on Bluetooth speaker on. And we'll be chilling.
This is like vaping, but less gay.
Alright, to some extent. Alright, is there a way we can fill that up without like ruining your car?
We might need to go outside. Yeah, we're gonna go outside. Wait, I can poke a tiny hole in it. I can poke a hole in the right spot. Oh, fuck. Oh, no.
No.
Stay in there.
That's what she said.
Hunter, what happened to me? Oh, where's the freaking...
I
I need a napkin. Use my leg. That worked. Alright, let me go fill up the whale. This is not fucking working. Oh, it's working. Hunter, it's working. It's going in.
It's going in.
so slow. You know, this was like the best thing we could have bought for $1. Oh no, my leg! My legs just smell like bubbles. Oh, rip.
Inside and do it.
I am going to. Where's the key? Where the fuck is the key? Hunter, can I put the key in the... Where's the key? No, Hunter, I'm being serious.
Oh, where the keys at? Oh,
No, but where's the key?
I don't know.
How do you turn those off? So the car alarm just finished going off and my mom called me, but we found the key, so we turned it off and now we're back to the whale. All right, here you go. So we're getting out right now to test the maiden voyage of the whale.
All right.
Dollar store whale. Oh!
There's kind of sort of bubbles. They're working on your car.
Oh, rip.
Really loud,
So we just turned on the speaker.
No,
It's all hooked up.
it's
Hunter's about to play.
It's all the way up on my end, so we'll see.
Oh, we're about to go deaf. Wait, hang on.
No, turn it all the way up.
Hang on, I'm trying to get this thing in here. Yeah, that looks right. Okay.
All right, here we go.
Wait, hang on. I can't give you both of these.
All right, are we ready?
Yep. We're... This is max volume? Is this seriously?
Yes.
This is family friendly.
It's the Wiggles.
The world's loudest speaker from the dollar store. So Hunter just left me. He's skating up the hill right now. He said he's gonna slide in this water. A little bit wet out, but hopefully he'll make it down. I think he'll do good. Hopefully. What happened to your board?
That was so scary. Holy crap. That was only 100 feet.
Hey, I think you're going for Micah right there.
I think it's hard to stand up from the top actually this time.
The puddle.
I can try.
Hunter's dropping right now. He's coming in for the puddle run right now. I thought that was gonna be so much cooler.
I did too.
Alright, Hunter, let's go back and play with the speaker. Yeah, I have your phone.
Yeah.
So Hunter just finished the puddle run. And we're going back to the car because it's wet right now. Hunter, get it.
Alright, I'll take off my glove. Oh, I cheated. I put my foot down. One more try.
Alright, deal.
Out?
Yeah. So me and Hunter are gonna make a little line right here, jumping up the one stair behind us. Alright, Hunter, you ready to go first? I have faith in you.
Dang. That was almost a full whip.
Yeah. Well, I think I could do the half whip. What the heck? I think we're just the world's worst scooter riders. Alright, I'm exhausted. So now we just finished. We're heading over to the hill to go ride down the path that's full of potholes. Right, Hunter?
Yes, sir.
We just got to this super massive stair set right here. Hunter said he's gonna gap it. I said I didn't want to. Hunter said he will. So I'm gonna give the scooter to Hunter and Hunter's gonna send it. Right, buddy? You excited?
Pretty excited.
Go big.
All right.
Send far.
Oh.
Yeah. Hey, Domino's car, I wouldn't do it. Hey, Hunter, what's that sign say?
No bicycling, no skateboarding, and no rollerblading, but
Nothing
we have
about
scooters.
scooters.
Yeah, we're good.
Go.
That was so close.
Alright. So Hunter just finished jumping that huge stair set, and we're heading back to the car right now. It's like 6 o'clock and it's still raining, so we decided to call it a day. We gotta go. Alright, I'll keep the wheel. Wait, Hunter, where's the speaker?
Oh, it's over there.
Wait, Hunter, go get the. I'll go get the speaker.
Why? Yeah.
Cause that's watering.
Oh yeah.
Watering
No,
hard.
perfect.
Alright, it's been real.
It has been real.
It's a fun day. Alright,
Yeah.
when are we going filming next?
Maybe this week.
Alright,
Maybe.
alright, we'll see you guys in the next one.
All right.